Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your Tinder age. Now it's pretty simple, but you can't also do it in a way, cause once you create yourself a Tinder account and you set your age when you create a Tinder account, it cannot be changed. There's only one way through which you guys can do it, and I'm gonna be showing you the way, alright? But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step is, once you open your Tinder, you can click on a profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, or a person looking logo. Once you click on it, you can click on your name over here where it says edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, you can scroll all the way down, but you can see no setting over here which says change age, alright? So I can't. So what I can do is delete this current Tinder account and create myself a new Tinder account, and on that account I can choose my new date or my new date of birth, and I can choose my age on that new account. But the only way is by deleting. To delete your account, you can click on setting and open your setting. Once your setting opens up, scroll all the way down over here and click on Russ's delete account and click on delete my account. Once you click on delete my account, your Tinder account will be deleted. And once your Tinder account is deleted, create yourself a new Tinder account, and during that time choose your new date of birth, and basically your age will be changed, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your Tinder's age. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.